Guys, yan na po yung ating ginger, lemon, carrots, orange. 1 whole ng lemon, 1 whole ng ginger, ng orange, 3 inch of ginger, and 1 piece of lemon, and 330 ml water. We pour together. Yan. Saka po natin siya blender. Guys. Sasalain po natin yan, guys. Tapos lalagyan natin ng 1 spoon of turmeric, a half teaspoon of cayenne, half teaspoon of black pepper, pinch of salt. Yan po. Ihahalo po natin yan, guys. I-strain po natin ito pagkatapos. Ayun, ilagay na lang natin every morning before breakfast. Saka 1 shot lang po yan, 1 shot, the small bottle, o kaya mga 1/4 of 1/4 cup. Yan siya. Before breakfast, guys. 30 minutes before breakfast. Okay, bye.